Make your way to Social Media and Ads in the drop-down menu under Content Creation and select Social Media Ads. Fill out all of the required fields to the best of your ability, and of course, answering any optional prompts is always helpful. Aside from the basic information of your organization and service, you can also set some parameters such as tone and guidelines, as well as the target social media platforms. You may notice, however, you are required to fill out the field asking for calls to action. If there are none, you can type NA. Once done, click Generate and wait for suggestions to load. You will be presented with recommended visuals along with several iterations of content outlines, including video. As always, till next time.
Brainiest.